Hello guys, so today we're working on June 2011 question 4. In the diagram, PQRST is a quadrilateral, PT is parallel to QS. Now they said PTQ is 42 degrees and we're also told that TSQ is 38 degrees and QSR is 30 degrees. Now if PQT is Y, we're asked to find X and find Y. Okay, so from here, let's look for a way to get X and to get Y. Now, before moving any further, you can see that PTQ is also equals to TQS. That's this is equals to this. Now this is TQS, so that means this is also equals to 42 degrees. Now why? Now we talked about a concept of alternate angles. Alternate angles tend to form the angle Z. So angle theta here at the first corner of the Z is equals to angle theta here also at the second corner. Now if you look carefully, this is forming a Z. This is the shape of a Z. So this 42 degree here is equals to 42 degree on this other side. So from this you can then get X. So if TQS is equals to 42 degrees, then angle in a triangle should be equals to 180 degrees. So to get X plus 42 plus 38 should be equals to 180. Making X plus 80 should be equals to 180. And getting your X to be equals to 180 minus 80. And you have X to be 100 degrees. As simple as that. Now, okay, then to find Y, we come back here. Now we use corresponding angles. Now for alternate angles, we said they take the shape Z. Now for corresponding angles, they take the shape F. Now the angle here is theta, should be equals to the angle here as theta. So corresponding angles, you look for the shape F and you see that the angles below the edges should be equal. Now looking carefully, this looks like a shape F. That's TP, PR, QS. It looks like a shape F. It's looking like something like this. Just draw that out here. I'm having something like this as my F. So whatever angle that is here should be equals to the angle here. So SQR should be equals to TPQ. Okay? So RQS or SQR should be equals to, so to get SQR initially, 180 should be equals to 90 plus SQR or RQS plus 30 degrees. So 180 is equals to 120 plus RQS, leaving my RQS to be equals to 60 degrees. Now after getting the value for my RQS, which is this, so that means this is 60 degrees. So I can get the value for my Y. Angle on a straight line should be equals to 180 degrees. So angles on a straight line should be equals to 180. So 180 is equals to Y plus 60 plus 42, giving 180 to be equals to Y plus 102, and leaving my Y to be equals to 180 minus 102, which is equals to 78 degrees. Okay? So for the next question, question B, we're asked here to also solve for RQS. Now solution. You're looking for RQS. So let's call this RQS my angle X. Now this is 40 degrees. This is 150 degrees and this is 45 degrees. Now let's try to find here. Now to find this angle theta, Angle at the center, remember that this is the center O. Angle at the center is equals to 2 times angle as the circumference. Now, let me just state that angle at the center is equals to 2 times angle at circumference. Now, be very careful because the circumference has to be directly facing the center. Now, if, for example, I had my circumference here, it won't be the same, but it has to be facing the center. So the angle at the circumference facing the center directly is equal to theta. So I have 2 times theta is equals to the angle at the center is 150 degrees. So this makes theta become 150 over 2. And I have theta to be equals to 75 degrees. Now after getting this, don't forget what I need is x. Now opposite angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 180. So when you have a four-sided shape, which is called a quadrilateral, opposite angles is equals to 180. So this means theta plus 40 plus x plus theta plus 40 plus x plus 45, the opposite side, should be equals to 180. X plus 45 should be equals to 180. Now do not forget you got your theta to be 75. So I have 75 plus 40 plus 45 plus x should be equals to 180. Now the whole of this gives you 160 plus x should be equals to 180. So your x is equals to 20 degrees. Since your x is also RQS, that means RQS is equals to 20 degrees. Thank you very much, and I hope you understood that.